Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy SoulX an amazing AI model that can generate realistic, multi-speaker podcasts right from text. SoulX-Podcast-1.7B is a model built by Soul AI Lab, and it's trained to create long, natural conversations like a real podcast between multiple speakers. It can talk for over an hour, switch between different voices, and even add things like laughs, sighs, and tone changes to sound super real. First, go to app.spheron.ai and sign up button at the top right to add some credit. You can pay using a card or crypto, whichever works best for you. Next, click Deploy from the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of powerful GPUs. I'm going to choose RTX 4090, but you can use whatever fits your budget. Then, select your provider and nearest region, and make sure the operating system is Ubuntu latest. Click Next, upload your SSH key or add directly in the box, and click Deploy Instance. And that's it. In about a minute, your GPU machine will be ready to use. Once your instance is live, you'll see the connection details. Just copy the SSH command and paste it into your terminal. SSH-I private key path, your VM name, @VM-IP. If you set a passphrase, enter it. Otherwise, just hit enter. Now you're inside your own GPU-powered server. All running commands here are in the article, so you can just copy-paste easily. All right, let's set things up. First, update your system and install a few tools. Sudo apt update and software properties common. Then add deadsnake PPA by running sudo add app repository -y PPA:deadsnakes PPA and sudo apt update. Now, install Python 3.11. It's faster and works great with AI frameworks. Copy the whole code once from the blog and paste it at once. Perfect. Now, create a virtual environment to keep things clean. Python 3.11-m venv ~.thens/pi311. And now run source ~.bashrc. Now let's install Miniconda, which helps manage packages more easily. Run curl -o miniconda repo, download link. Next, run the downloaded file by running bash miniconda, file name -b -p $home/miniconda3. Next, run the command to initialize it. Next, run source ~.bashrc. Now let's create a Conda environment for SoulX by running conda create-n SoulX-Podcast-y Python = 3.11. You will be asked to accept terms of services. Run the command from the output to accept the TOS and then run the previous command again. Perfect. And now let's activate it by running conda activate SoulX Podcast. Done. Now your environment is ready. Next, clone the official GitHub repo. git clone SoulX repo link.git. Let's go inside the folder, run cd SoulX podcast. Then install the dependencies by running pip install -r requirements.txt. Now, let's install PyTorch with GPU support by running the command. And finally, install transformers in Hugging Face tools by running pip install _transformers equals 4.57.1 and Hugging Face hub 0.34.0. Nice, you're almost there. Now, we'll download the SoulX models from Hugging Face. For the base model, run the command from the article. Let's make sure everything works. Run this command to generate a sample conversation by running bash example-infer-dialog.sh. It'll create a few audio files in the outputs folder. Play them. You'll hear your first AI-generated podcast. Fire! Now, let's run the web interface. Next, copy the SSH command which you use to connect VM with your terminal and open Code Editor. Here we're using cursor connect the VM and then open the VM directory. Here, go to SoulX folder and click on WebUI.py. Search for share and change it to true and save the file. Now, come back to the terminal and run Python 3 WebUI.py --model _ path pre-train models /SoulX-Podcast-1.7B. Then open your browser and go to the output link to access your web app. Here, you can type your own text, choose voices, and generate full podcasts right from your browser. And that's it. You've just deployed SoulX Podcast on Spheron AI, a full AI-powered podcast studio running on a single GPU. With Spheron, you save money. With SoulX, you get creativity and realism that feels human. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to show how to customize SoulX voices or fine-tune your own model next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.